Hello everyone, welcome to channel Preclinical Pharmacology. Today we are going to discuss about animal behavior and terminology. So what is animal behavior? It includes all the ways animals interact with other organisms and the physical environment. Behavior can also be defined as a change in the activity of an organism in response to a stimulus, an external or internal cue or combo of cues. Now we are going to see terminologies related to animal behavior. First one is abnormal appearance. It involves the posture like head down, tuck abdomen, hunchback, facial distortion, or pallor of an animal. Second behavior is allogroom. It is a rapid little limble-like activity of one animal to another. It is a head or neck grooming or whole body grooming. For example, rat, mice, guinea pig, gerbil, hamster, dog, etc. Third behavior is barbar. It is an extent of grooming in which the fur is nibbled off. Animal may barber themselves or another animal. For example, rat, mice, hamster, dog. Next behavior is behavioral stress. It is a type of reproductive behavior in which female entreats male to grab her, occurs mainly in the vaginal proestrus, 12-hour period before the ovulation. Next behavior is a box behavior. It is one type of play or defense behavior in which two rats stand on their hind legs, paws facing each other nose to nose, and pushes or keep paw at each other with their front legs or a paws. As you can see in the image, next behavior is chase or pursuit in which animals chase each other, which means one animal run after the another animal. Next behavior is chatter. It is a repetitive grinding of incisors against each other. Next is cannibalism. It is the act of killing or eating of its own species. Next behavior is coprophagy. It is a reingestion of feces by the animal. Next behavior is ear wiggle, in which female vibrates her ears rapidly in behavioral stress, which lasts about 4 to 5 days to solicit and maintain mounting behavior by the male. Next behavior is flank mark. It is a scent marking olfactory behavior, which is laid on the objects in the surrounding by rubbing their flanks. For example, rat, mice, dog, etc. Next behavior is gallop. It is the movement of both limbs, left and right, nearly in a synchrony. The gallop is fast asymmetric movement at the time of free flight, whereas trot is the movement in which diagonal pairs of legs move in a synchrony. Next behavior is infanticide, in which killing the young ones on their own species done by the animal. Next one is lordosis, in which female mating posture, reflexive behavior that is triggered by touch on the lower back, flanks or genital region. Vulva, which normally faces the floor, rotates almost 90 degrees to the vertical, that is to backward facing position. Next behavior is mount. This is a male copulatory position and seen when male mounts female prior mating. Next behavior is mutilation. Symptoms of pain including licking, biting, scratching, shaking or rubbing. Next behavior is nibble. Rats may nibble their own skin or that of other rats with their teeth, appear to be combing the fur with their teeth and nibbling the skin underneath. Next behavior is a nip, in which light pinching activity which may elicit the squeak with the teeth whereas skin remains unbroken. Next behavior is a peep, a brief high-pitched sound heard during head and body allogrooming. Next behavior is pica, the nausea response of rat called pica, but rat cannot omit because they lack vomiting center. Next behavior is a piloerection, the phenomenon in a cold or stress in which body hairs rises or erect on the end. Next behavior is a popcorning. Animal shows this behavior during play or happy movements. They run around and jump into the air and land on all four paws. For example, baby guinea pig, dog, cat, etc. Next behavior is poofy. This behavior is the same as pillow erection, pup killing. This is same as infanticide. Next behavior is pup retrieval. The carrying behavior of mother animal. They keep cramming pups in her mouth with its back to targeted place, as you can see in the image. Recompense, usual length of time for pain as a symptom. Next behavior is snip. It is an exploratory behavior which involves cluster of movement sequences with snout and head. Next behavior is solicitation. One of the sexual behaviors of female schemes towards male and runs a short distance, then wait for a while. Next behavior is a squeak. It is a vocalization response of rodents in a pain or any head grooming and mild social interaction. Our last behavior is vocalization. It is a crying out sound when palpated or due to some painful stimuli. For more important, please to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching.